We start today's video here in the front room, and I'm going to clean the coffee stains that my wife created here on her floor mats. Unbelievable. But anyways, we're going to clean that off with this super cleaner odorless wash. This stuff has worked great on everything I've used it on, so I'm going to see if it works here, give you a before and after. But before we start, oh my god. In one of my previous videos, the 9 secrets of the Focus ST, you can watch that right here in the card at the top of the screen. It was clearly me being sarcastic, but also informative. And at the one scene, I said something like, if you own an ST3, that means you are wealthy. Being fully sarcastic. I was just saying that that's the top end model. Like, it was just a joke. And someone comments, I'll put a picture in the screen if I can find it at the comment. It doesn't mean you're wealthy if you own a Focus ST3 package. I wanted to just delete my channel. It's like, no matter what you say, there was a disclaimer at the beginning of the video, it's like obvious. No matter what you do, there's always someone. Unbelievable. But anyways, we're going to get this thing cleaned up and let's see what it looks like. At the after, you can see there's still some stain right here. I think if I worked at it a little bit more, it could improve it. The dog does not approve. He attacked the vac master. But yeah, look, it definitely looks better, and we'll see what it looks like once it dries out totally, but it is an improvement. But now I am going to, I'm going to take my wife's car to get the transmission fluid changed today. Ford wanted to charge $260 for that. That wasn't even for a full, didn't include a lot. Other place I've been going to get, I just took my ST to get the oil changed. Iconic has the full synthetic oil change the other day was $50, and they're going to do the full transmission fluid change for $160. So I'm pumped about that. The shop was clean. Everyone was really nice. Just the type of service that I expect. But yeah, so I'm going to get that done today, and we're going to take a look at the tires on the ST. Oh, I think sometimes I'm a little too harsh on the Escape. Because it is a nice car. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just not, it's not exciting as the ST or the M2. It's just it's a regular car. But as far as a family SUV goes, I think it's really nice. It's comfortable on long trips. It rides well, and this even has the 19-inch wheels on it because it's a titanium. It's a fine car. I don't mean to talk down about it in my videos. It's just not. It's not something I would buy. It's more, you know, my wife just wanted an SUV and a comfortable car with good technology, and in 2015, this was one of the best out there. I remember we compared it to like the Nissan Murano and all that type of stuff. Just at the time, this had the best package. You can get it in all-wheel drive, and it comes with a bigger engine. I don't know what the output of the other engine is, but overall, yeah, it's been a comfortable car, but it's not something that, you know, I don't think there's gonna be a ton of interest in. So I did have a company email me. I don't know if it was a company or just some individual, but they put an ST engine in their Escape and did some dyno runs and stuff. I'll see if I can dig that email up, and I'll either link it or put it right now. Little ATS-V there. Really like that thing. Quad tip exhaust, huge brakes, carbon fiber diffuser in the back. Beautiful looking car, is probably fast as hell. Yeah, transmission fluid is changed on the Escape. It doesn't quite have the same, like after I got my transmission fluid changed in my ST, if you want to see that video, just click the card at the top of the screen. But it was night and day difference between shifting the car. It was just so much smoother with the new fluid. With this, you can tell the shifts are a little more crisp. It's not as slow to shift, so that's good. And they said the place that I went to, Iconic Tire Shop, whatever it's called, they just let me walk back in the garage. They're like, yeah, just come on back, check it out. So the fluid that was in this thing, it has 63,000 miles on it. The fluid that was in it was like black gunk. And it's supposed to be changed at 55,000 miles. So it shouldn't be that bad. He asked if I towed anything with it. I'm like, it can barely pull me. So, you know, no, I've not towed anything with it. I think this has 176 horsepower, but I've not towed anything with it. No really high stress things, but just the heat of Arizona probably broke the fluid down quicker than normal. So anyways, if you have an Escape, I recommend changing your transmission fluid probably at like 40,000 miles or maybe just every 30,000 miles because it doesn't hurt to be changing that. It's just going to put less stress on the transmission components and your car will run a little bit more efficiently because it's not fighting that gunk over time. So we're going to overtake this Dodge Charger Rally. We're winning already. Yeah, the transmission feels good. It's shifting smoother. And I'm happy that I did that. Dealership wanted to charge me $260 to do this. I got charged $180 to do it, and they did a really nice job. So I'll have them linked down in the description below so you can check them out because I'm probably going to start going there from now on for any maintenance and maybe for my upcoming brake upgrade. I'm going to have them see where the ST is in the life of its brakes and then go from there. But let's head home. I'm heading home right now, and I'm going to check out the tires on my ST because it's actually pretty impressive how well they've held up. I've had the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500 tires on my ST now for 42,000 miles, and believe it or not, they still have 630 seconds of tread life left. I think a new tire is 830 seconds. So somehow, in 42,000 miles, they haven't worn that much. I mean, they have. I can clearly see there's a difference since day one, but it's still healthy for an ultra high performance summer tire. So I have the stock setup on here of 235 4018. And I think the most appealing part of this tire really is the price of them. They're very cheap, but they also give you a nice aesthetic look too, as you can see here. So it does look really good. I'm just really impressed with how long they're lasting. The life of the tires is also impressive as well. I mean, I didn't really care how long they lasted. I just wanted to give them a try. You can check the original video right here of me getting them installed, but the ride quality is great, the performance is great, they're not loud. I'm just really impressed with this tire. The question I have is, what do you guys want to see me put on here next? Should I just throw another set of these on and forget about it, or is there another tire out there you want me to review? Put that down in the comments below because I drive a decent amount, so I'll be able to give you feedback on it. But 42,000 miles on these things. Now, a decent amount of that is highway driving, but still, I'm in and out of the city a lot. I don't know. I think that's extremely impressive. I always get my tires from Tire Rack right here. But yeah, they've had really good luck with these. They look cool, they ride well, they perform. Not too much to complain about. Also, if you follow me on Twitter, I just dropped my first merchandise on Teespring, so if you're interested in that, you can check it out there. M2, I haven't driven it since I washed it the other day, but it looks good. ST looks good. The family's happy. Cleaning these wheels is annoying. These wheels never have brake dust, but that's life. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions about the tires on the ST, yeah, 42,000 miles on them, and they still have a lot of tread life left. So let me know what you want to see me put on them next. I'm probably going to do the motor mount sooner rather than later, so we can do a review on that. Lots of good stuff coming. Thanks for the support. Sorry I didn't post yesterday. I know I was trying to go 7 days in a row and I couldn't even do that. But hey, now you know that I'm a liar. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.